Don't try this at home. We're not professionals.
Not by any means, but hopefully you can learn from our mistakes. Hey guys, welcome back to House Renovations, Chapter 4. Now, let me quit jabbering, and as always, I will send you to the hostess with the mostest, the Ghost. Episode 8.
Good morning, guys, and welcome back to House Renovations, Chapter 4, Episode 8. Now, today we're going to be doing just a little bit more prep work for the painting, but we're also going to be testing the new paint sprayer, and hopefully we're going to be painting the front of the house today. So, let me quit jabbering. As you see, Ghost just took off. I need to get to work.
And of course, Foreman Scarlett is in the window to judge us silently, and look at her trying to be a ham for the camera. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. First things first, the old man wanted to put together the new paint sprayer.
As you guys see right there, the old man is putting together the paint sprayer. He has Ghost right there in that window. And then, don't know how well this is going to show up on camera, but we have a little Scarlett just hiding there, peeking her head out the corner to make sure she's doing her foreman duties.
After captivating his four-legged audience, the old man decided to put the nozzle for the paint sprayer together. So just to make sure the old man did everything right, he, you know what? Let me show you. See, even the old man looks at the instructions. With the paint sprayer assembled, here's your before shot. As you can see, it's still kind of mangled. It looks alright, but wait until the end, you'll like it. Now, time to finish up some of that prep work. Here you see the old man and I taping up the windows so that when we use the sprayer, we don't get any of that paint on that precious glass, because I don't feel like replacing it, and I can't afford to replace it. I'm going to be honest with you, being up on a ladder and dealing with the sun, it sucked. It was so miserable. We couldn't get those windows taped up fast enough. So here in these clips, you see the old man taking a nylon brush and just brushing off any loose paint chips that he could possibly find after the wall dried, because it's been about a week after our pressure washing. Man, I'll tell you what, that sun was pretty bad. I felt bad for the old man up there. And now, to tape the door. Alright guys, windows and the front door are taped off. Up next, we're going to test the spray pattern on this bad boy, and then we're going to start painting. But first, time to mix the paint. So after loading up the paint sprayer, Dad did a first few initial passes with the sprayer. Didn't work out very well. The nozzle wasn't tightened down properly. After some tightening, some course correction, and a lot of cussing, the final few passes were great. And now, without further ado, the main event for this evening's video, the painting. Alright guys, the first coat of paint is down. Dad used the sprayer, not me, because it's his new toy. And now you see why that we put plastic on the windows and the door. After waiting for the first coat to get tacky, Dad went at it again. Two coats wasn't enough, so we waited for the second coat to get tacky, and Dad took the top this time, I took the bottom for the third coat. Alright guys, and that is 3 coats of that beautiful blue you see. Once that third coat became tacky, we decided to take the plastic off of the windows and the door. So, here is your before and after shots. Big difference, huh? Alright guys, and that's all the time we have for today for House Renovations Chapter 4, Episode 8. Now, we didn't get to the white trim today, but that's because it's starting to sprinkle and starting to rain, so let me get my ass dry, and I'll see you guys in the next one.